Do not buy a trading course until you've asked yourself this question. Before you dive into the world of trading courses, there's one thing that you must ask. Hi, I'm Barry Burns, professional trader here at Top Dog Trading, and I want to uncover to you, reveal to you, the thing that is most important for you to consider before you invest in a trading course. So let's jump right into it, and here it is. Does the trading course not only teach you how to make money, but how to avoid losses and manage your risk? Absolutely critical. Trading is not just about making money. Sure, we all want to make money, and you will as a professional trader. But as a professional trader, the course should also, in fact, I will say it must teach you how to manage your risk, keep your losses very, very, very small, and how to recover from inevitable losses so that your losses are small, your winners are big. So ask yourself these three questions, and the third one is going to be the most important. Question one, does the course teach you how to manage risk from placing your protective stop to trailing stops as you move into profit, and then how to manage your risk or hedge positions so that once you're in profit, you do not lose money? We want to keep your win-loss ratio super, super high. Does the course give you real-life scenarios? You want to be able to see live trading, at least in videos, because hindsight's 2020. Books, they're not the best because they're static charts. You want to see and be taught in the course with dynamic movement in a real moving chart so that you can see what losses look like, what small winners look like when the stop is moved. You want to see all this in a dynamic situation. And lastly, does the course overpromise? It's like they say, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. So if people guarantee success, or they have all these testimonials of making millions of dollars or showing Lambos and airplanes and all that kind of stuff, best to stay away. It's not realistic. Before you invest in a trading course, make sure it answers those three things, that those three things are included in the training, because you need all of them. Now, I would love to hear your feedback. Let's make this a communal video. So type into the questions or the comments below what your ideas are. Do you agree with these three things that I just said? Or do you have some other ideas as well to guide other people who are watching this video into how to choose a good trading course? If you're a trader ready to elevate your trading, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. That'll give you access to all the other tutorials I have here on YouTube for you. So go ahead and do that. And Barry Burns from Top Dog Trading, happy trades. Get my free indicator, which is already hidden in your trading platform, that answers the question, where exactly should I enter my trades? Go to entryindicator.com and I'll show you exactly how to use it for precision entries.